Power grab and bond. I'm just going to apply this first and then talk about it afterwards. So Power grab and bond is a heavy duty vertical adhesive. This will bond up to 16 kilos in weight in 3 to 5 minutes. Simple application. Product needs to be dry, the substrate you're putting on. We've got a V-shaped cut in the nozzle. You always apply that facing up, like a Toblerone shape, and then you leave that on the surface for 3 to 5 minutes. Most products, when they're heavy-duty vertical bonds, you have to apply them horizontally. Problem with that is any water ingress and things like that can blow out the brick. So we are the first ones to create for a vertical application. So we're just going to leave that for 2 minutes, and then I'll bond on there. So yes, this will reduce your labour by up to 50%, because as you've seen there is no mechanical fixings for this product. It's just the adhesive. So it's perfect for all your agricultural applications, engineering, facilities and management. And you'll see it'll just bond on. If I put on a little twist, like so. Got a couple of minutes where you can just level it off. You can't move up and down. And then you have it. Power grab and bond.